MySQLD, the MySQL Server. MySQLD, also known as MySQL Server, is a single multi-thread program that does most of the work in a MySQL installation. It does not spawn additional processes. MySQL Server manages access to the MySQL data directory that contains databases and tables. The data directory is also the default location for other information such as log files and status files. Here we have a note. So installation packages contain a debugging version of the server name mysqld-debug. Invoke this version instead of mysqld for debugging support, memory allocation checking, and trace file support. When MySQL Server starts, it listens for network connections from client programs and manages access to databases on behalf of those clients. The MySQLD program has many options that can be specified at startup. For a complete list of options, run this command so we can check it out. We can open any terminal. I'm gonna open my Windows PowerShell, and this is the command that we are gonna run. We just need to type in mysqld space double hyphen, is gonna be verbose space double hyphen now help, and we're gonna have a bunch of options. So we just press enter, and as you can see, we're gonna have a bunch of options. And if you remember in previous video, we were checking out this, for example, double hyphen SQL hyphen mode equal name. We have the syntax. We have a bunch of information here. There is a lot. So this is for a complete verbose double hyphen help. MySQL Server also has a set of system variables that affect its operational as it runs. System variables can be set at server startup, and many of them can be changed at runtime to affect dynamic server configuration. MySQL Server also has a set of status variables that provide information about its operation. You can monitor these status variables to access runtime performances characteristics. For a full description of MySQL Server command options, system variables, and status variables, you can check out the MySQL Server link in section 5.1 of this documentation. For information about installing MySQL and setting up initial configuration, you can check out chapter 2. So we're gonna move to the next section, and pretty much we have the mysqld underscore save MySQL Server Startup Script. mysqld underscore save, we can check out this link too, is the recommended way to start a MySQLD server on Unix. mysqld underscore save adds some safety features such as restarting the server when an error occurs and logging runtime information to an error log. A description of error logging is given later in this section. Note: for some Linux platforms, MySQL installation from RPM or Debian packages include system support for managing MySQL Server Startup and Shutdown. On these platforms, mysqld underscore save is not installed because it is unnecessary. For more information, you can check out the section Managing MySQL Server with Systemd. One implication of the non-use of mysqld underscore save on platforms that use Systemd for server management is the use of the mysqld underscore save or save underscore mysqld sections and option files is not supported and might lead to unexpected behavior. mysqld underscore save tries to start an executable named mysqld to override the default behavior and specify explicitly the name of the server you want to run. Specify a double hyphen mysqld or double hyphen mysqld hyphen version option to mysqld underscore save. You can also use the double hyphen LE directory to indicate the directory where mysqld underscore save should look for the server. Many options of the mysqld underscore save are the same as the options of mysqld. You can check out this link, server command options. Unknown options unknown to mysqld underscore save are passed to mysqld if they are specified on the command line, but ignore if they are specified in the mysqld underscore save. group of an option file, and you can check out the section 4.2.2.2 using option files. MySQLD_save reads all options from the MySQLD server and MySQLD_save sections and options files. For example, if you specify a MySQLD section like this, MySQLD_save finds and uses the $log-error option. So we have this example, log-error =error.log. For backward compatibility, MySQLD_save also reads save_MySQLD sections, but to be caring, you should rename such sections to MySQLD_save. MySQLD_save accepts options on the command line in an option files as described in the following table. For information about option files used by MySQL programs, see this link using option files. So here we have this table, MySQLD_save options. So we have two columns, the option name and the description, and we have a link for each one of those. So we have $base directory, path to the MySQL installation directory. We have the $core-file-size, size of core file that MySQLD should be able to create. We have the $data directory, path to data directory. We have the $-defaults-extra-file, read name option file. In addition to usual option files, we have the $-defaults-file, read only name option file. We have the $-help, display help messages and exit. We have the $-li directory, path to the directory where the server is located. $-log-error, write error log to name file. We have the $-malloc-lib, alternative malloc library to use for MySQLD. We have the $-MySQLD, name of the server, program to start, and the li directory. You can check out the followings. So here we have the $-help, displays a help message and exit. The $-base directory dir underscore name, the path to the MySQL installation directory. We have the $-core-file-size size, the size of the core file that MySQLD should be able to create. This option value is post to ulimit space hyphen lowercase letter c. The database underscore buffer underscore pool underscore n underscore core underscore file variable can be used to reduce the size of core files and operating systems that support it. For more information, you can check out the excluding buffer pool pages from the files in section 15.8.3.7. We have the $-data directory directory underscore name, the path to the data directory. We have the $-defaults-extra-file =file underscore name. We have the $-defaults-file =file underscore name. We have the $-li directory directory underscore name. We have the $-log-error =file underscore name. We have the $-MySQLD save-log timestamps. And inside of these we can see the UTC, we can see the system, they are using the ISO 8601 logon type format, they're using hyphen. We have the legacy, we have the $-malloc-lib inside brackets, lib underscore name. And what else do we have? We have for Linux user can use the libtc malloc underscore minimal.so library for on any platform for which tc malloc package is installed in the /usr/lib by adding these lines to the my.cnf like this. So you have this example, malloc-lib =tc malloc. To use the tc malloc library, specify its full path name. For example, we have the malloc-lib and then /opt/lib/libtc malloc underscore minimal.so. Then we have the $-MySQLD program underscore name, or just this prog. Then we have mysqld, well, double hyphen mysqld hyphen version equal sign suffix, double hyphen nice equal sign priority. Use the nice programs to set the service scheduling priority to the given value. Double hyphen no hyphen defaults. We have the double hyphen open hyphen files hyphen limit equal sign count. We have the double hyphen PID hyphen file equal sign file underscore name. We have the double hyphen plugin under hyphen directory equal sign directory underscore name. We have the double hyphen port equal sign port underscore name. We have the double hyphen skip hyphen kill hyphen mysqld. We have the double hyphen socket equal sign path. The double hyphen syslog comma hyphen skip hyphen syslog. The double hyphen syslog hyphen tag equal sign tag. We also can see the double hyphen time zone equal sign to the time zone. Double hyphen user equal sign inside curly braces the user underscore name, vertical bar user underscore ID. And what else do we have here? So pretty much run the MySQL server as the user having the name user underscore name or the numeric user ID user underscore ID user, and this context refers to a system login account, not a MySQL user listed in the grant tables. If you execute MySQL underscore save with the double hyphen defaults hyphen file or the double hyphen defaults hyphen extra hyphen file option to name an option file, the option must be the first one given in the command line, or the option file is not used. For example, this command does not use the name option file. And well, once you have, for example, we have login into MySQL here. No, we just invoke a bunch of verbose. But if you log into your MySQL with your credentials, so MySQL -u root -p for password, then you will see the MySQL and then the greater than sign. So you have MySQL underscore save space double hyphen port equal sign, and then you have your port number. So not literally your port underscore num, but a literal number here, space double hyphen defaults hyphen file equal sign, and then your file name. Again, not literally file underscore name, but a file name. I don't know, maybe test, maybe MySQL example, whatever name. Instead, use the following command. So it'll be MySQL underscore save, so pretty much the same here. This one is changing, so it's gonna be double hyphen defaults hyphen file equal sign, then the file name space double hyphen port equal sign, and then your port number. So pretty much they're just switching these two places. MySQL underscore save script is written so that it normally can start a server that was installed from either a source or a binary distribution of MySQL, even though these types of distributions typically install the server in slightly different locations. MySQL underscore save expects one of the following conditions to be true: the server and the databases can be found relative to the working directory, the directory from which MySQL underscore save is invoked. For binary distributions, MySQL underscore save looks under its working directory for being in data directories. For source distributions, it looks for lib execution and var directories. This condition should be met if you execute MySQL underscore save from your MySQL installation directory. For example, you have the /usr/local/MySQL for binary distribution. If the server and databases cannot be found relative to the working directory, MySQL underscore save attempts to locate them by absolute path names. Typically, locations are /usr/local/lib execute and the /usr/local/var. The actual locations are determined from the values configured into the distribution at the time it was built. They should be correct if MySQL is installed in the location specified at the configuration time. Because MySQL underscore save tries to find the server and database relative to its own working directory, you can install a binary distribution of MySQL anywhere as long as you run MySQL underscore save from the MySQL installation directory. So if you can pick the command prompt, so you would use the cd to move, if you type in cd and then do that, for example, you can pretty much go back, and right now I am in my C directory, and then you type in MySQL underscore installation underscore directory, and then the bin slash MySQL underscore save. The if MySQL d underscore save fails even when invoking from MySQL installation directory, specify the double hyphen LE directory and the double hyphen data directory options to indicate the directories in which the server and databases are located on your system. MySQL d underscore save tries to use the sleep and day system utilities to determine how many times per second it has attempt to start. If these utilities are present and the attempt starts per second is greater than 5, MySQL d underscore save waits for 1 full second before starting again. This is intended to prevent excessive CPU usage in the event of repeated failure. So this is the bug number, and here we have this 1,100,100,076 76 one. Okay, it's 11,761,530, and then the other bug number is just the number of 54,035. When you use MySQL d underscore save to start a MySQL d underscore save arranges for error and notice messages from itself and from MySQL d to go on the same destination. There are several MySQL d hyphen underscore save options for controlling the destination of these messages. We have the double hyphen log hyphen error equal sign file underscore name, write error messages to the name error file. We have the double hyphen cx log, write error messages to cx log on system that supports the logger program. We have the double hyphen skip hyphen sys log, do not write error messages to the sys log. Messages are written to the default error log file host underscore name that error in the data directory, or to name file if the double hyphen log hyphen error option is given. If none of these options is given, the default is double hyphen skip hyphen sys log. When MySQL d underscore save writes a message, notices go to the login destination sys log or the error log file, and std out errors go to the login destinations and the std error. So we have that, and then a note: controlling MySQL d login from the MySQL d underscore save is deprecated. Use the server's native sys log supporting instead. For more information, you can check out this link. Errors logging and to the system log, and this is what we have for the MySQL d underscore save, the MySQL d server startup script.